National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 2 a.m. At 12:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northville, or near Novi, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Livonia, Novi, and Northville around 12:40 a.m. Southfield around 12:45 a.m. Detroit around 12:55 a.m. Grosse Pointe around 1:10 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Malvindale, Gibraltar, New Boston, Rockwood, Harper Woods, Westland, Grosse Pointe Shores, Ecorse, Grosse Pointe Woods, and Woodhaven. Additional strong storms are located behind this initial storm and may bring severe weather. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following county: Wayne, Michigan.
That's the top little panhandle, if you will, with that's not involved. But the flow is west to east, a little northerly drift.
A severe